So this is our power strip, easy control power strip. It's a power strip that you can control from a radio frequency remote control, just like that, just on, off, easy. And it controls these 4 outlets, and this one is an always on outlet. So I suggest you to put your Wi-Fi here, your router, so you have, every time internet connection in your house, and then you control this, your TV, your appleTV, your cableTV, and you can control them from here. Every time you're out the house, you can just leave it off. And if you have your easy control, you can also control it from here. I took a picture of it, and a dark picture of it. Just pretend it's an off button, so you can on, off, from your cell phone or from your tablet or iPad. Inside the house and wherever you may go, you can switch on and off. Thanks for watching.